Have you ever wondered why a sudden sneeze erupts the moment you step into bright light? Scientists explain it as a genetic reflex where bright light signals cross wires in the brain, triggering an explosive sneeze. Even if you try to blink it away, the reflex can surprise you mid-sentence at the doorway, embarrassingly. The body uses sneezing as a defense to clear irritants, but the light-triggered version seems accidental, not purposeful. Next time you glimpse sunlight and feel a tickle, will you greet the sneeze gracefully or seek shade?